So, welcome to part 4. This is the finished one, hopefully. Yeah, and we'll see how it turns out. Pretty much everything assembled, and well, you'll see the video. So this is the conclusion. So basically, after a couple of minutes, the engine cuts out. Now, I think it's the idle control valve, for what I can get in the forums. Which is this, the ACV, which is basically a wee valve that turns and decides how much air is going into the throttle control body when it goes into idle mode. So it makes sense that after a couple of minutes it's cutting out, and I think it's this. So I've taken it to bits, cleaned it. If it's not that, it might be the MAF sensor, but these are the two cheapest options just now to double check. So I'm going to replace this, and if that doesn't work, I'll replace the MAF sensor, and if that doesn't work, I'll need to plug it into the old, what is it, OBD, you know how you get the kind of longish ones that look like SCART connections, and OBD2, well that's an OBD1, so that'll be the next option. You diagnose it, there's no problems on the dashboard or anything. So this is the wee idle control valve, which you unscrew. It's actually magnetised, that must be how the switch works. And if you see in there, I don't know if you can see that, let me get a wee torch. Let's have a look. If you see that wee valve in there, you see it open and closing? So that controls the airflow into the throttle control body. So I'm hoping that this unit here will fix that. So I mean, you can see the original part is, it's a Bosch. Now this was sold out and it was about 160 odd pounds. And it was an auto dock, and this was the same website had a replacement, which is an NTY, High Quality Spare Parts, Tech Alliance, and this was £30, so there's a big difference in price. I'm hoping that this is just as good as that. It comes with a wee seal and all that as well, a wee replacement seal. So we'll give that a shot and see what happens. That's new. ACV valve in. Start the engine, give it a couple of minutes and see what happens. If not, we'll try the MAF sensor. Let's see. So that's not so good. So I wonder if it's the MAF sensor. So at this point I decided it needed an engine scan because I wasn't sure if it was the MAF sensor or whatever wee electrical fault might have been. So my colleague John at work, he's got a wee OBD1 scanner and he brought his laptop over, plugged it in, and we did a kind of live timing of it, and luckily it brought a fault up which you'll see, and it was called, I think it was a phase shift sensor or something, which is the crankshaft sensor. So yeah, that's how I got around that problem, but I didn't really film it very well at this point.
It's telling you the VIN number, so it's picking up
the basics.
It's picking up the basics. If I close that and then go scan.
Yeah, can only give us a clue.
So it should go through everything that it can find.
Yeah. So it's not found the digital motor electronics.
I think that's throttle body.
It's not found that. But that's... So it's not found the throttle body?
So there's no gearbox controller because it's not an automatic. ABS is not found. Steering angle set. Go for it.
So it'll be fine, and then it will switch over and cut out.
Phase sensor.
Phase sensor?
It's in there, crankshaft position sensor. Yeah, that's what it is.
The crank sensor?
Crank sensor. Yeah.
Yep. Crank sensor it is then.
Yeah.
So interior's nearly done. Carbon fibre wrapped, a wee bit of the dashboard and a bit at the back just to bring it up to a wee bit more modern. There we go. Just a bit of carbon. Started just put the window. Started to get a window switch on the left side, and did the centre bit with a bit of carbon. And we'll get the seats in. Get the bonnet wrapped, and that is pretty close to being it. Oh, I've got the camshaft sensor. Yeah, so that's the camshaft sensor, and this is the crankshaft sensor, which I actually bought by mistake. But you can see the difference in the two. One's slightly longer than the other, so I'll probably fit the camshaft sensor as well. Get the crankshaft sensor, camshaft sensor in, and then hopefully that'll fix the engine issue. And that should be it. No, it's not. Did you get that back one? Yeah. Where was that? That side or this side? This side?
No, no.
Sure?
There we go. Open your left hand.
It's the pipes in the way. Pipe.
Wait to see.
See, you put the screwdriver in there and just lift that up. Here.
Right, there you go.
And that has to come up. Right.
Okay. Okay. Aye. Aye, there you go. No, that's not quite.
That's the new Camshaft sensor, and that's the new crankshaft sensor. That's the old ones. I made the mistake of ordering that one instead of that one, so I ended up with two new ones anyway. Hopefully that's fixed the engine. Oh, I can actually sit in it to start it. Oh. Right. Right, aye. Sounds a wee bit smoother. It sounds smoother.
Aye. When you see that when you stay when the idle comes off, the what do you call it, the wrench thing.
Is that rattle? It's just it. Oh. That. It sounds a lot smoother.
Starts to come off now, that's it. Fine. Rev it now and see. You know?
I reckon it's just when you got the temperature, because I started smoother again at that point, because it's been down. It's still going, oh, it's nothing there a wee bit. No, I think that's it. We'll go until I've got a couple of 100 miles on it, right?
We'll make it a wee bit warmer than that.
So down to the last few wee bits, put the kidney grills back in, that's it, fully wrapped. And get all the lights back in. And that is us done. So here it goes, last wee push. Kidney grills. So that is it all done, from all the engine components to underneath to the inside interior. We did a wee bit of carbon fibre wrapping on the centre console and a bit of carbon on the passenger shelf and the beautiful gold cherry red leather. It just suits it off. Brand new alloy wheels, not everyone's taste, but these are Bola alloys in the bronze colour, which I think really goes well with the grey and the black. We did a wee bit of carbon onto the gills, just to match everything else as well. Yeah, all in all, pretty good, I would say. I can't believe it's sold within 30 minutes. I'm absolutely gobsmacked, and there's been so much interest. I've had about 5 other people wanting to come and see it. But anyway, it's not about making money, it's about getting money back and just learning how to do these things. So yeah, see you in the next one. And then amazingly, I put the car up for sale, just at what it owed me, not ridiculous prices. It's just how much the parts would cost me. Again, this was just down to, it was a learning tool, just to learn things. And amazingly, within 30 minutes, like, I had umpteen phone calls, but this guy called James, very nice guy, he was first in, and he turned up and he went away with it, and this is him. just don't scratch the alloys on the way out. Brand new alloys. Right, James, it was nice meeting you.
See you again at some point.
Hopefully, right, yeah. Yeah, I'll tell you, the road's all clear. Oh, it looks alright, man. Right, take it easy, James.
Cheers.
See you later.
See you later.
And just like that, it's sold. So that's the Z3 away. Thanks for looking, whoever's been watching and subscribing, and I've got another project about to start. Hopefully arrange that this week. So yeah, hit the like, do the subscribe thing, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.